Lena was a shy girl who lived in a small town. She was afraid to speak in front of people. She always thought that others were better than her. She wanted to do many things, but she always held herself back. When she was in school, she wanted to raise her hand to answer questions, but she was afraid of making mistakes. When she went to a store, she wanted to ask for help, but she was afraid the worker would not understand her. When she saw other people talking and laughing, she wanted to join them, but she thought they would not like her. Lena did not believe in herself. She was afraid of everything. One day her teacher gave her a book. The book was about a young boy who learned to be confident. The teacher said, "Lena, I want you to read this book. It will help you." Lena took the book home and started reading. The book was simple, but the message was powerful. It said, "Confidence is not about being perfect. Confidence is about trying, even when you are scared." Lena thought about these words. Could she become confident? Could she change her life? Lena decided to take a small step. The next day at school, she told herself, "I will raise my hand one time today." She was nervous. Her heart was beating fast. The teacher asked a question. Lena knew the answer, but she was afraid. What if she was wrong? What if people laughed at her? But then she remembered the book. Confidence is about trying, she told herself. Slowly she raised her hand. The teacher smiled. "Yes, Lena?" Lena said the answer in a soft voice. The teacher nodded. "That's correct." Lena felt happy. No one laughed. No one was angry. It was a small moment, but it changed something inside her. She felt a little stronger. She told herself, "If I can do this once, I can do it again." Lena started taking more small steps. When she went to the store, she asked the worker, "Where is the milk?" The worker answered, and Lena understood. It was a simple conversation, but it made her feel good. "I spoke, and nothing bad happened," she thought. At school, she started talking to new people. At first it was scary, but she smiled and said, "Hi, how are you?" Most people smiled back. Some did not, but that was okay. She learned that not everyone will be friendly, and that is normal. She also learned that her fear was bigger in her mind than in real life. One day the teacher asked for volunteers to read a story aloud. Lena wanted to try, but she was scared. She looked around. Some students were laughing and talking. She thought, "What if I make a mistake?" Then she remembered her small victories. She had raised her hand before. She had talked to people before. She had asked for help at the store. She was getting stronger. "I will try," she told herself. She raised her hand. The teacher called her name. Lena walked to the front of the class. Her hands were shaking. She held the book tightly. She took a deep breath and started reading. Her voice was soft at first, but she kept going. She made a mistake, but she corrected herself. When she finished, the class clapped. Lena felt something new inside her. It was confidence. Lena was not always successful. One day, she tried to join a group of students during lunch. She smiled and said, "Can I sit here?" But one girl looked at her and said, "We are full." Lena felt sad. She wanted to run away. But then she remembered, confidence is about trying, even when things go wrong. Another time, she tried to answer a question in class, but she got it wrong. She felt embarrassed. But then she saw the teacher smiling. "Good try, Lena. Let's think about it together." The teacher helped her, and she got the right answer. Lena learned that making mistakes is okay. Mistakes are part of learning. As months passed, Lena became more confident. She started speaking more in class. She made new friends. She joined a small drama club and acted in a play. She was nervous, but she remembered everything she had learned. Confidence is about trying, she told herself. When the day of the play came, she stood in front of the audience. She spoke clearly. She smiled. She did her best. When the play ended, everyone clapped. Lena felt proud of herself. One day, a new student came to school. She was shy and afraid, just like Lena had been before. Lena smiled at her and said, "Hi, my name is Lena. Do you want to sit with me?" The girl looked surprised but happy. "Yes," she said. Lena had become the kind of person she used to admire. She had learned the secret to confidence. Lena's story teaches us something important. Confidence is not about being perfect. Confidence is about trying. It is about taking small steps every day. It is about not giving up, even when things go wrong. If you are shy or afraid, remember Lena's journey. Start with small steps. Raise your hand once. Say hello to one new person. Ask one simple question. Speak, even if you make mistakes. Confidence is not something you're born with. It is something you build. One day, you will look back and see how far you have come. Just like Lena did.